What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Monday, July 6th, 2020. I hope everybody had a great 4th of July weekend. I know here in America, I'm sure most of us did. Even overseas, I got some overseas viewers. I hope you guys had a great weekend as well. I hope everybody managed to keep all of their digits go. Just kidding. It's still there, obviously. We did blow up a lot of stuff, though. Boy, did we blow up a lot. I hope you got to the fireworks stores early because I went over on Saturday morning and they pretty much wiped out. So we had the good stuff, snakes and sparklers. We managed to blow up a good amount of stuff, though. We still had a pretty good time. Grilled out some burgers, So let's go ahead and jump into the markets and see where we're going to be starting this week off at. Gold is up slightly, currently at $1782.86. Silver is up very nicely at $1839, giving us a ratio of 96.93. Platinum is up nicely as well, currently at $834.36. And palladium is steady at $1988.36. In other metals markets, rhodium is steady at $7,900. Copper is up several cents. It's up nicely, currently at $2.77. Aluminum up a penny at 72 cents, and uranium is steady at $32.60. Barrels of crude oil spent the weekend up over $40 a barrel. It is down slightly this morning, but it is still at $40.54. Thursday last week, we had some good gains or some decent gains on Wall Street. The Dow Jones is going to be starting this week off at 25,827.36. The NASDAQ will be starting at 10,207.63. And the S&P 500 is starting off at 31,30.01. We are seeing very nice gains in the Dow futures. I think we're up about 400 points, so we're going to be starting the week off right. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, yesterday was a funky day. We saw a big dip right around, that was right around 5 o'clock yesterday, 5:30 yesterday afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. We dropped all the way down to 8,900, but we are back up, back over 9,000, currently at 9,209.98. And if you guys happen to trade in the gold back, those are steady at 306. In today's article, or today's video, we're reviewing an article. There we go. Haven't had my coffee yet. Ugh. Hold on. Oh boy, that's good. Oh, it touches your soul. Oh, baby boy, that's good. Today we're reviewing an article that comes to us from Reuters by way of Kitco News. This is gold steadies as virus fears offset equity rally. This is from this morning. It doesn't have a written by. Yep, doesn't have a written by on here. Okay, well, it's from Reuters. Gold held steady on Monday as lingering fears over the surge in coronavirus cases countered pressure from stronger equities, with focus turning to U.S. services sectors due to data due out later in the day. Spot gold was up 0.1% at 1777.03 per ounce at 9:49 Greenwich Mean Time. Excuse me. U.S. gold futures fell to 1784.30 an ounce. In the first 4 days of July, 15 U.S. states have reported record increases in new cases of COVID-19, causing some to halt plans to ease lockdowns. I know here in Indiana, we have seen a slowdown. We were supposed to go into stage 5 reopening, whatever that's supposed to mean. Well, the governor came out on Thursday or Friday last week and said we're entering stage 4.5. I digress. Let's go back to the article. Cases continue to soar in countries such as India, Australia, and Mexico. So some big countries also in the same boat as America. Some riskier asset classes are showing optimism over the revival of the U.S. economy, but the U.S.-China relations and the shape of the recovery sentiment for gold will be positive, said Jejar Trivedi, commodities analyst at Mumbai broker Anand Rathi Shares. Most bullish factors for gold have been discounted, but a worsening U.S. trade relations or U.S.-China trade relations may provide some buying momentum, he added. Global shares hit a 4-week high as Chinese activity rebounded, while investors eyed U.S. service sectors activity data for June due later today. Economists polled by Reuters expect the Institute for Supply Management, the ISM, non-manufacturing data to rise to 50 in June from 45.4, signaling a revival in economic activity. I don't know what the ISM is. I don't know. Maybe if you want to check out those numbers on your own. But increased stimulus measures globally to cushion economies from the fallout of the coronavirus-induced lockdowns and lower real yields have lifted non-interest-bearing gold 17% so far this year. With an increased number of U.S. states imposing lockdowns again, it should result in the Federal Reserve's balance sheet continuing to grow and interest rates kept low, Philip Futures said in a note. He said in a note. Who did he pass it to the teacher? Okay. That in turn would provide underlying support for gold markets, it said. On the technical front, spot gold is biased to break resistance at $17.78 an ounce, said Reuters technical analyst Wang Tao. Okay. Palladium fell 0.8% to 1907.84, while palladium rose to 808. And of course, these are old numbers from whenever this was published earlier this morning. Silver gained 0.5% at 18.13 an ounce. All right, so guys, I want to know what's been happening with lockdowns in your area. Are they lessening them? Are they increasing them? Are they having some convoluted number system like we have here in Indiana? We're in stage 4.5 of reopening. What's going on in your neck of the woods? Be anxious to find out from you guys straight from the source. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you. If you happen to appreciate old Indy XP, why don't you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me right there. It helps me out immensely. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and you want to keep up to date on when all the new content comes out, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can be notified of when new content is coming out. If you want to see the latest and greatest, it's like 4 days old. I filmed it on Thursday. It's going to be right here in the box. Still don't know what to do with my hands. Go ahead and click that at the end of this video. Guys, I've been Indy XP from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.